Describe a dream you had at night. I sometimes dream at night. Last week, I had a dream about flying in the sky. I felt very happy because I could see the city from above. In my dream, I was like a bird. When I woke up, I felt good and relaxed. I liked this dream because it was beautiful. Do you sometimes dream at night?
Yes, I sometimes dream at night.
When did you have the dream?
I had the dream last week.
What was the dream about?
It was about flying in the sky.
How did you feel in the dream?
I felt very happy.
What could you see from above?
I could see the city.
Who were you like in the dream?
I was like a bird.
How did you feel after you woke up?
I felt good and relaxed.
Why do you like this dream?
Because it was beautiful.